this beat from Cash, not from YouTube.
It's us. Clearly obvious, you ain't used to lanes. You ain't never been this high, these drugs is private planes. All these niggas defraud, they can't come near this lane. CONCRET, that's my game. Million spent on chains versus diamond rings. You can get this all if you keep it real. I'm gon' tell you things you can't never spill. Head up on your shoulders like you thrive at Yale. This year alone, I pay 15 bills. Lately I've been grinding like I skate on rails. Know my niggas solid, every one of a shell. If I call them brother, they'll never tell. I just caught a coupe in an inside bill. My niggas make their money standing by the mill.
I play your shit a lot in my car, and I be wanting to make snaps to it. And I don't know if you're gonna be upset if it's like an unreleased little Yachty song.
Cash, not from YouTube.
Baby, why would I get mad? Play this shit so loud, make your neighbors mad. They say that we gold, Angelina brand. I like how we flow, we don't never clash. It's us. Keep me on my toes, keep these niggas mad. Keep me from these hoes, keep from going sad. Pussy so don't work, gon' turn me to a dad. Birds that fell flock together, we gon' stick forever. Us. You can spend my cheddar, how you looking better? These niggas ain't real, and you know. These niggas broke, these niggas hoes. Tell me which bag you want, any meaning, money most. I'm gon' buy you burgers, that's for certain. Yeah.